guys so much. I'm here today. I will be doing reviews on some things that I'm all organised. So yeah, let's start. So here I have got this pen. Got it from Card Factory for £1. Very good. Let me try it like a piece of paper. Right there. No, can't go there. It does draw, but I've not tried it yet, so very good. Can take it out like that, but I think when you write it shoots water out. First, I've not tried it yet. I might try it after this and tell you how it is. I'm going to show you the drawing. So yeah, that's that. This baby, the Pasome virtual reality. So what you do in here, you open this up, you put your phone in there, and then what you do, you get an app up, and then what you do, you put your eyes in there, and then you can see right inside it. Got it. So and that is very good. Yeah, so we've got that. Then we've got the retro gamer. Yes. You've got the retro gamer. If you don't know, this is a very old system. Really, really good. Choose some games like this. That's actually a really good game of this. I'm playing this backwards, you know, so this might actually not go so good. Yeah, I'm dead already. So yeah, that is a retro gamer. Just turn that off. So then, in fact, I can show you this, I think. If I just get this here, you might not be able to see this very well, but no way. Is it even a pen? Here it's a pen. Look at that. Think so? Are you right? It doesn't work on this. Yeah, it works. Very good. I love that. Right. I'll just show them what I have to. And then I have got this thing here. This is a smartwatch. Don't know if it's going to come on yet. So we've got the smartwatch. It's not making any sound because I've taken this go and you have to put it on silent. So we've got apps here. Very good touch screen. Say if you're out and you need to call somebody, you need your phone near it, by the way. So then you can call people, but yeah. So that is 7 o'clock now when it is. Well, that's this thing here, smartwatch. And I don't think you have anything else to show. Heroes, and that's the end of this video. Stay immortal.